Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. In previous lesson, we have learned and revised some sentences in Urdu. So we spoke in Urdu. If you want to watch that lesson again, you can always go back and click the link and watch that lesson again. I suggest that you watch the lesson many times and speak in Urdu like that. How are you? आपका क्या हाल है? I am fine, thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. Now let's revise some words that we have already learned. I hope that you remember how to say this in Urdu. In English we say this and in Urdu it is ye. Ye. In English we say that and in Urdu it is wo. Wo. Then in English we say is. Is. And in Urdu it is hai. When we are talking about one thing, singular thing, we say is in English. And in Urdu it is hai. Hai. Then we say are in English for more than one things. When we are talking about more than one things, we say are. And in Urdu it is hain. Hain. Hain sound comes from your nose. Okay? Hain. Now let's repeat all these words one more time. In English we say this. In Urdu it is ye. In English then we say that. And in Urdu it is wo. In English we say is. And in Urdu it is hai. In English we say are. And in Urdu it is hain. Repeat many times and remember these words, as when you are speaking in Urdu, these words are used quite a lot. Alright? Okay. Now we say, what is this? When we ask a question about something, in English we say, what is this? And in Urdu it is, ye kya hai? Remember, this in Urdu is ye, and what in Urdu is kya. Alright? So, what is this? Ye kya hai? Then you can see in front of you, what is this? So you are going to reply and say, this is a nose, because we can see a nose here. That's why we are answering and saying, this is a nose. In Urdu it is, ye naak hai. Ye naak hai. So remember, it could be anything. If you are asking about, or somebody is asking you about something, that what is this, and they are pointing at something, and you are going to just simply say, this is, and whatever thing that is, you are going to tell about that thing, this is that thing. Okay? So in this case, as we can see, there is a picture of nose here. So the question is asked about this picture, that what is this? So answer is, this is a nose. So in Urdu it is, ye kya hai? And the answer is, ye naak hai. Remember, whatever the thing is asked about, you're going to tell about that thing. And you're simply going to say ye, dash, you're going to fill in the dash with whatever that thing is, and then you are going to say hai. And remember, hai is going to be for the thing which is one or singular. For one thing we use hai. Alright? And then, what is that? In English we say, what is that? When something is far away and the question is asked about that thing that is far away, we say, what is that? In Urdu it is, wo kya hai? Remember, that in Urdu is wo, right? So the question is, wo kya hai? In English we say, what is that? And in Urdu it is, wo kya hai? Alright? So, the answer is, that is a hand, because you can see there is a picture of hand, and you are going to reply, that is a hand. And then again, you are going to answer whatever thing is asked about, okay? In this case, there is a hand, so you are answering, that is a hand. And in Urdu it is, wo haath hai. Because it's far away, we are using that and not this. And it is only one. For one thing we are using that. Or for one thing we used this as well. So, wo haath hai. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say, what is this? And in Urdu it is, ye kya hai? Remember, it is for the things that are near. And the thing is singular, one, this. Then in English, the answer to the question is, this is a nose, because there is a picture of nose here. And in Urdu it is, ye naak hai. Then in English we say, what is that? And in Urdu it is, wo kya hai? The answer to this is, that is a hand. And in Urdu it is, wo haath hai. Repeat many times for practice. Okay? Alright, now let's practice talking in Urdu again. Okay? So now let's revise this again. What is this? And in Urdu it is, ye kya hai? And then, what is that? And in Urdu it is, wo kya hai? Now we are going to speak in Urdu. We are going to ask the question in Urdu and going to be replying in Urdu as well. There are all these things here. We are going to ask question about this. We are going to ask in both ways, with what is this and with what is that. Alright, so now let's start. ये क्या है? ये सितारा है. ये क्या है? ये गुब्बारा है. ये क्या है? ये केला है. ये क्या है? ये सेब है. ये क्या है? ये आम है. ये क्या है? ये माल्टा है. ये क्या है? ये भालू है. Alright? Now let's ask, what is that? And in Urdu it is, wo kya hai? Alright? Now let's do it. वो क्या है? वो सितारा है. वो क्या है? वो गुब्बारा है. वो क्या है? वो सेब है. वो क्या है? वो आम है. वो क्या है? वो माल्टा है। वो क्या है? वो भालू है। Repeat many times. Practice speaking only in Urdu like this. After understanding that the question what is this in Urdu is ye kya hai, and question what is that in Urdu it is wo kya hai, and answer is this is dash, and in Urdu it is ye dash hai or wo dash hai. The dash is going to be whatever thing we are asking about. Practice more and speak more in only Urdu so that you are fluent in speaking in Urdu. Alright? Okay, now counting. We have already learned counting from 1 to 26. Now let's learn the number 27 in Urdu. Number 27 in Urdu is Satais. Satais. 27. Satais. Now practice more and learn. Alright, so this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson. Till then, practice more and learn. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.